Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to enable and disable keyboard auto capitalization in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on general. After clicking on general, scroll down and you can see the option keyboard. Simply click on keyboard and then you can see the option auto capitalization. If you want to enable auto capitalization, then simply turn this button on, and if you want to disable auto capitalization, then simply turn it off. So this is the way to enable and disable keyboard auto capitalization in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.